Hello, I'm Carl and welcome to Festool TV. Today I would like to introduce you to the range of CARVEX jigsaws from Festool. As you can see, there are 4 jigsaws in the range. We have both the body grip and D handle available in both 110 and 240 volt mains power, and the cordless versions powered by the 18 volt lithium ion battery. In this video we will be showing how Festool design and innovation have come together in the CARVEX to ensure a perfectly square cut every time. To install a blade into the CARVEX, it's a simple push and twist of the blade into the blade holder. Before the cut is started, and when you change the type of blade you're using, the blade guide should always be set to the jigsaw blade. To do this, firstly ensure the CARVEX is set to Pendulum 3 setting and remove the base of the jigsaw using this green lever. Remember, anything green on a Festool tool has a function. Using the supplied wrench, the adjustments to the blade guide are made loosening and tightening the bolt here. The guides must be opened so the blade can be gently pushed back against the support wheel. Continue holding the blade in this position and tighten the bolt until the blade is held. To check this, tap the back of the blade to ensure the blade holds. Then complete 3/4 of a turn, loosening the bolt to complete the setup. There are different blades available from Festool for different material applications, such as plastic and metal, and this process should be repeated on every blade change to ensure optimum performance. To remove the blade from the CARVEX, simply slide the release lever towards the front of the tool and the blade will be ejected, meaning we do not have to touch hot blades when changing or replacing a warm blade. Finally, we need to set the cutting speed. The CARVEX has a speed setting 1 through 5 and A for automatic. Automatic means the jigsaw will start at a low stroke rate, and when it senses the resistance of the material, it will automatically speed up to full cutting speed. This means the blade will enter the material straight. If the blade is operating at full speed at the start of the cut, it would most likely enter the material off square and continue cutting at this off square angle. It is a combination of blade guides and automatic speed setting that ensures the CARVEX produces cuts that are perfectly square every time. I will now demonstrate a cut in this 40mm worktop. You have now seen how to ensure your CARVEX jigsaw is set to achieve square cuts. In the next video we will look at some further settings and how to achieve splinter-free cutting. I'm Carl and thank you for watching Festool TV.